All right, folks, good morning. It's Monday, June 18th. It's about 8:30 a.m. I wanted to wait till the rain stopped, but if I did that, you probably wouldn't see a video for about another month. Folks, we're in a lot of trouble here. The sorghum field is awful. I've yet to go to the cornfield to check that. We had some complete washouts. It's bad. I can only assume that some of you have seen it on the news of some of the devastation that's gone on just northwest of us from me here. Complete roads washed out. We're talking asphalt roads here. There's two towns next to each other called Holland and Hancock. It's the extreme northwest of the UP of Michigan. They are under absolute devastation. It started raining again last night at about 8:30, 9 p.m. and it was awful, awful. This is the new Holland roll belt 450 round baler. I just got done with the maintenance. I'm all done. I wanted to show you something that I do that probably many of you do as well. This chain and cable lubricant, instead of putting a bunch of grease or some old engine oil or something on the chains and making an absolute mess, I take this stuff here. WD makes a brand of chain and cable lubricant, and then I believe, what's the other one? Liquid wrench. Yeah, I think liquid wrench. Actually, I like the liquid wrench the best. They didn't have any where I was going to do my spring maintenance shopping, so I ended up getting this stuff. Very simple. I've already very heavily lubricated all the chains, the other side as well, so I'm just kind of giving you just a quick show of what I do. Let me show you the other side of this baler. All right. All this rain is it's not good. I'll be honest with you, I have to worry about that alfalfa field now that I'm looking to mow down completely on Thursday. We got more rain coming today. It's gonna stop by about, I believe, 11 noonish here this morning, but we got so much rain, I'm gonna have to now be concerned about that alfalfa field that I'm wanting to mow down on Thursday, as far as any standing water and just how, I don't have the words, but how mushy it is, so I don't do damage to the field. Remember, I want that to be baleage this year and next, all cuttings. So the last thing I want to do is go put a bunch of ruts in that field. But that's how much rain we got now, and whatever. So What I like to do is run this at a high RPM. I'm at 2100 now, which is operating RPM. Obviously, while it's eating hay, it needs to be given just a little bit more to hit 2100 RPMs. The other thing that I'm going to do here right now is open up the back end, the bale spit out. Okay, round baler's ready. I am yet to hook up the monitor just to make sure everything's on the up and up. Last thing I want to do is have a whole bunch of especially high moisture for baleage down and there being a problem. So it's, you know, very important to go through every nook and cranny. So there's no surprises. You're always going to get a surprise anyway, one way or another, but anything you can do to delete a surprise is it's a good thing. All it does is help you. So I'm speaking the obvious. Yeah, this all this moisture and rain has got me in a little perturbed mood. That sorghum field looks awful, but whatever. We're going to do a video sooner than later, folks. I'm going to show you some of the damage that we've got, and I need to go check that cornfield, and especially some of the barley fields on some rental ground. But we'll talk to you sooner than later.